While you're taking classes, the rest of life's responsibilities still go on. What's for dinner? Whoa, not inside. Where are the kids at? And do I have enough clean socks, or should I finally break down and do laundry? On top of all of that, you've got to find time to work on your papers, your post, and your group projects. Well, I've found 3 Microsoft apps that I hope will make your life a little bit easier. The best part is, you already have access to these apps, and you can check them out without installing anything, just using your browser. But if you wanted to install them, they're compatible on most computers and mobile devices. Let's get started. First up is Microsoft OneDrive. Is your desktop a mess with files and folders everywhere? Where's that paper I was working on? That's where OneDrive can help. With OneDrive, you can access your files on any device. Older versions of your documents can be restored. You can preview your files and quickly start editing your documents again. You can view all of your files and continue working on your mobile device too. With OneDrive, it's easy to share files, and you just drag and drop documents to upload. And we're just getting started. Next up is Microsoft ToDo. ToDo is a great way to create, to-do lists. They can be as simple or as complex as you need them to be. All of your lists are in one place. You can add tasks that need to be completed, and each task can include multiple steps, files, and notes. You can also add a due date to help you stay on track. Sharing your list is easy too. And your to-do lists are synchronized with all of your devices. Finally, let's take a look at Microsoft OneNote. Hold on a second, I have an idea. Actually, OneNote is a great place to record ideas. Notes, sketches, pictures, voice recordings, well, lots of things. You can create digital notebooks for whatever you're working on. Your notes are synchronized across all your devices, and you can share notebooks for collaboration. Wait till everyone sees this great idea. Check out these 3 apps, and I hope you find they make your life a little bit easier. There's more information on how to access them in the description below, and now that I'm done with my project, it's time to go play outside. How do you turn this thing on? Whoa, okay.